Hey Lennar fans, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing the Wynwood floor plan by Lennar Homes. You can find this home in many of the Lennars Southwest Florida communities. The Wynwood is part of the estate line of homes that Lennar offers, having 5 bedrooms plus a den and almost 4,000 square foot of living space, plus a 3-car garage. Let's walk inside and take a look at this wonderful floor plan by Lennar. You've got a dual door entry as you're walking in. And right here at your entry, you've got your stairwell going upstairs with the open loft concept. Nice entry space, and this opens up into your nice great room area with your formal dining and kitchen spaces all looking onto each other. So great for entertaining and having that open space, great room feel. So from this kitchen area, we'll start over to the right. You've got a pantry here, and you also have your laundry. Once they complete the model setup here, there will be a door leading out to the garage directly from your laundry space. And then right here is a powder room. And again, when they convert this back to normal home after the model, this entry door will actually be on the right side here, so the doorway will not be front and center. It'll actually be right off to the side here. So right off the main floor here, you have your outdoor living spaces, but across from that, you've got your dedicated den space here. And then coming directly straight across is your master bedroom. Now this home is unique in that it has 2 master suites, one down here on the first level, but also one upstairs as well, which we'll get to here shortly. So you've got the separate water closet, really nice size walk-in shower here. You can fit about 10 people in this shower. You've got your dual sinks, and you also have this nice size walk-in closet here. Now coming back out into the main spaces, we're gonna head upstairs and take a look at the other guest bedrooms and loft space. So we're gonna walk right into the open style loft here. Fantastic area for an additional media space. And to the left are gonna be the guest bedrooms. So you've got one here, another, and then directly behind us, you've got the third. And you do have 2 full guest baths up here. This one here with the single sink, commode, and combination tub and shower, as well as this one here, combination tub and shower, the commode, and you have dual sinks on this one. Last but not least, we have the second master suite. So here you go, your second master bedroom here. You've got dual closets, both of them walk-in style. There's one. And this is a larger of the 2 closets here. And then you have your master bath here, again with that really large shower. You've got your private commode space and your dual sinks. Last but not least on this home is the living space outdoors. So on the lanai, you've got a huge area under truss that overlooks your pool space. So as we come downstairs, you've got the large sliding glass doors here. And coming outside, you can see the huge under truss lanai space, which reaches from one side of the home all the way to the other. Lots of outdoor living space here. Plenty of space in the sun by the pool for your chairs to enjoy the Southwest Florida lifestyle. All right, guys, so this is the Wynwood floor plan by Lennar. If you're interested in this floor plan, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. We'll be happy to help you find your Wynwood in your dream community. This is Roberto with Pinnacle Property, and we appreciate you watching.